So let's start with first analysis. We are starting on time frame minute 15, and this is Euro USD. So first we see that the overall trend on this time frame is up. Then we can mark this support and resistance, and here support, and we can see that here is a big red candlestick, so it means that the sellers are strong here. So even though we are in uptrend, we can look for buys or sells. So that's it. I can remove this, it's not important at the moment, and I can mark this zone, this small range, to see if the market reverses here, because you see it's important point and this is the highest point. So let's move to minute 10, and yeah, we can see this rejection here on this line, and then the market goes up, down, and here we see a big move to the upside. So here is some important point where the big move started. So be careful when you will sell here in these areas where the big move started. Be very careful, because it can reverse there. And yeah, so let's move to minute 5. We see here is good support line, and then it broke through. Something like this, and yes, we see that market is going up in range, and then maybe down. So here is the scenario which, as I was talking about in previous lecture. So break of the support line, and now we can retest it and go down, or we can come back in this range and sell and buy, sorry. So this is for example, and let's look at 1 minute time frame. Yes, we see that nice support line, and here if the price comes back here about this level, we are looking for buy, but the candlestick must be closed here. And if the candlestick goes here and we see a clear rejection, for example like this, there can be multiple candles like this, Yeah, so if the market does this, reject this level, so it's retested, and then we can sell here. It's very simple, as you can see, and there is also probability that if the market goes here, it retests this level again, and then it goes up. So always look for retest in scalping. It's very important. You can avoid fake out by this, and your trading would be much better. And now let's set the targets for our trading. So if we are looking for buy here on the retest, our target is this line, this previous high, and our stop loss should be under this line or under low of the rejection candles. So let's say the candle is like this, so the stop would be here. Like this. So stop loss, entry, and take profit somewhere here. And in the opposite scenario, if we look for sells here, if the market retests this breakout and goes down, we are looking for sells here. If the price again reject this level like this, and our stop loss should be above this level or above these rejection candles, and our targets, let's move to higher time frame. Our target should be at least here, because here in this space we don't see any support or resistance where the price can stop. We see only here, and you see it's in this level, so it's the same. And just for some imagination, if the price goes here, again you see this support level now, and if the price again does this, it's a fake out or fake breakout, and we can buy here. And if the price does something like this, we can again sell, and so on and so on. It's simple, I think, and yeah, so that's it, and see you in the next analysis.